This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Debt Exchange. There's a slight delay. I think people like my YouTube channel. So again and again, they're hacking my YouTube channel. And my son is a computer engineer. He also has no clue how this is happening. So like YouTube, the services are getting very bad. I don't know. So many times hacked, so many times reported, so many times, they are assuring, but this keeps happening. So anyway, let us come back to the market. So US markets came under profit booking, but the US markets, it was just going higher and higher every day. After a long time now, that's coming under profit booking. Naturally, there are two news. One is Elon Musk is launching his own party. I think yesterday Tesla fell. Now it has come below $300. And another one, this tariff related. So Trump said, about 14 countries have been sent letter. Now he's threatening, 500% tax from people who are buying oil from Russia. And then, BRICS countries, if they are anybody supporting the resolution of BRIC countries, there's a 10% extra, So all this started creating some kind of uncertainty, which will take some time to settle down. I think US market has peaked out. So now it is time for consolidation there also. Here, no need to say. So we are just consolidating. And yesterday, both FIAs and DIAs were net buyers. But despite that, today, the GIFT Nifty indicating about 40-50 point gap down opening. But our market is all about consolidation. And so if you see, on May 12th, Nifty shot up nearly 4%. And after that, like May, June, July, it's almost 2 months. And Nifty did not even move 2%. Still, it is respectable, so you are moving 1% per month. That will translate into 12% per annum. So that's a good thing only. But, as I told you yesterday, so keep watching the FMCG stocks. So if there is any value buying is happening there, the markets can recover. And there will be, like today's Tuesday, so Sensex expiry markets will be volatile, but not as volatile as Jane Street era. But the speculation will start in IT stocks. If I'm not wrong, there must be heavy shorts in IT stocks. So they might like to cover some of their shorts ahead of the results. So in case if results are good, if there is a gap up. The problem in TCS and Infosys, they always come out with results after the market hours. The following day, there will be gap up or gap down. At least TCS is okay. The Infosys, they come out with results after the market hours. Then US market will be reacting because the Infosys shares are being traded in. Infosys ADR is trading in US markets. So that will be trading. So people from India, they can just keep watching, usually, Infosys tends to be more volatile than TCS. TCS usually not that volatile. So it'll be interesting. So the same story again only. Maybe for another 2-3 days we might consolidate. So one side corporate results season will start, and on the other side, this Trump tariff clarity will come. So only then market can move in any direction. So as of now, it is still between 25,000 and 26,000. The game continues. So stock specific, keep watching Reliance Industries, which was very positive yesterday. And then keep watching the banking stocks, which were negative yesterday. Keep watching FMCG stocks, which were doing very well yesterday. So these are the stocks that should be in focus. So otherwise, with Jane Street kind of entities are out of India. So you are not likely to be more volatile. But again, if the markets are not volatile, accordingly, the premiums will also not be very high. So let us see. So today is the first expiry without Jane Street for Sensex. So let us see how the market opens. And 84,400 straddle. I've taken some small quantity. Let me see whether I'm going to make profit or not today. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.